Hello and very good morning, my dear students. How are you today? My name is Mr. Vrinder Singh, and today I am going to teach you the first chapter of class 12 standard, that is electric charge. Electric charge. So today I am going to teach you what is electric charge, its SI unit, its basic properties, okay, and then after the methods of charging by rubbing and by induction methods. Then after we will study Coulomb's law in vector form, and then after dielectric constant, and many more topics. Okay. So today let's start with the first topic, that is electric charge. What do you mean by electric charge? Electric charge means that we know that each and every body is made up of small atoms, and atom consists two kind of elementary charge particle, that is electron and protons. Both have fixed value of charge, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Okay. So whenever a charged body or a matter or a substance which consists a charge, when one body is bring to the another body, okay, or one substance is bring to the another substance, then both the substance will experience a force. Okay. This property of experiencing a force whenever one charged body is bring very close to the other charged body, we call it as electric charge. Let's understand by definition. It is a physical property of matter. It is matter or maybe a substance which cause it to experience a force which when placed near other matter. It means that whenever one matter is placed another matter, then it will experience a force. This property is called electric charge. The force is produced because of two type of charge. The matter or substance have two type of charge, and these two type of charge is called positive charge and negative charge. So let's understand. Charges are of two types. First type of charges कौन सा बेटे? Positive charge and a negative charge. हमारे पास two type of charges है. First is positive charge and second is negative charge. And both the charges have fixed value. And what is that fixed value of charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Number 2, charges may be a negative. Negative represents electron. It may be a positive, represents a proton. Okay. So this is a value of charge. Now SI unit of electric charge. SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. 1 coulomb represents the unit of electric charge, and it is represented by capital C. Here you can see the value of C. C represents the 1 coulomb of electric charge. Next वीडियो हम स्टडी करेंगे the properties of electric charge. ठीक है. So properties of electric charge में we will study. We have 5 basic properties of electric charge. First property is additive in nature. Charges can be added algebraically. So charges को हम algebraically add up कर सकते हैं. For example, I have one small piece of chalk, another piece of bigger piece of chalk. Let the charges on small pieces is 100 and the charges on bigger size of chalk is 1000. 100 and 1000. If I want to add, then what is the total number of charge on this combined states? Now we have 1100 charge particle. Okay. So simply we can add up these charges, and simply we can also subtract these one charges. So charges have additive in nature. चार्ज को हम ऐड भी कर सकते हैं और चार्ज को सब्ट्रैक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज दैट एडिटिव इन नेचर. सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इज चार्ज इज कंजर्व्ड. Charge conserved means that charge cannot be created nor it is destroyed. It can be converted from one body to another body. Now suppose we have two type of material. One is of paper, one is of cloth, and another is pen made up of plastic. Now this pen have total number of charges 100, 50 positive and 50 negative. तो net charge कितना हो गया इस पे 100. This piece of cloth also have total 1000 charges, 500 of positive and 500 of negative. If I want to start rubbing with each other, then what will happen? The charges will simply transfer from one body to another and another to another. Suppose electron going to transfer from cloth to the pen. अब इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर होंगे, कितने होंगे? उतने ही होंगे जितने suppose 30 electron transfer from piece of cloth to pen, and similarly 30 positive charge will move from pen to cloth. Then after net charge after rubbing, okay, the pen will be charged body, but the total charge of the pen is remain same before rubbing and then after rubbing. So it means that charge is conserved. रबिंग से चार्ज ना तो प्रोड्यूस हुआ और ना ही डिस्ट्रॉयड हुआ. द टोटल नेट चार्ज ऑन दिस पेन इज रिमेन सेम. सो चार्ज इज अ कंजर्व. हम इलेक्ट्रिक उसमें एनर्जी में भी इसको स्टडी करते हैं बेटे. एनर्जी कैन नॉट बी क्रिएटेड नॉर इट डिस्ट्रॉयड, कैन बी कन्वर्टेड फ्रॉम वन फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी टू अनदर फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. सो चार्ज इज कंजर्व. क्लियर है ये वाला? ओके. हमारे पास नेक्स्ट जो है थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी, चार्ज इज क्वांटाइज्ड. क्वांटाइज्ड का मतलब है कि चार्ज इज ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट इन ए बॉडी इन द इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल ऑफ n, इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल ऑफ e. इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल ऑफ e मींस दैट कि क्यू रिप्रेजेंट्स द टोटल चार्ज ऑन द बॉडी. क्यू रिप्रेजेंट्स टोटल चार्ज ऑन द बॉडी. अब बॉडी में कितने चार्जेस होंगे डिपेंड्स ऑन नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल प्रेजेंट. Number of charge particle present in the body into value of one charge. Suppose I have this piece of chalk. इसके ऊपर मेरे पास है 100 चार्ज. 100 चार्जेस है तो n का वैल्यू कितना आ गया? n इज नेचुरल नंबर, n का वैल्यू आ गया 100. 100 मल्टीप्लाई बाय वैल्यू ऑफ वन चार्ज. तो वन चार्ज का वैल्यू कितना बेटे? 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. So in this way charges is always present in the integral multiple of E. Number 2 कि charges is not present in the fractional form. कभी भी ये fractional form की में नहीं होगा. इसकी वैल्यू जहाँ तो present होगा तो इस फॉर्म में होगा, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा. है तो मल्टीपल ऑफ 1.6 into 10 to minus 19 coulomb. तो कभी भी 2/3, 5/9 ऐसे फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में ये चार्जेस प्रेजेंट नहीं होता. इसकी वैल्यू फिक्स्ड होती है. एंड वी आल्सो हैव फॉर्मूला दैट इज q is equal to plus minus ne. प्लस रिप्रेजेंट्स फॉर प्रोटॉन, नेगेटिव फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ये बेटा अगला पार्टिकल्स प्रॉपर्टी है हमारे पास. लाइक चार्जेस रिपेल ईच अदर एंड अनलाइक चार्जेस अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर. we will also understand that the force between positive and positive is repulsive, negative is repulsive, but positive negative और negative positive दोनों में force कौन सी होगी? attractive force. तो याद रखिए similar charges में repulsive force होगी and opposite charges में force of attractive forces. So this is another property of electric charge. Last property हमारे पास है charge have fixed value. Charges have fixed value of magnitude. वैल्यू कितनी होती है चार्ज की बेटे? हमने अभी स्टडी किया, दैट इज 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. So these have 5 basic properties of a electrical charge. Clear बेटे? So next topic we will study, that is Coulomb's law. Sorry, Coulomb's law से पहले we will study that is the method of charging. So what is the different methods of charging? Let's understand the different methods of charging. Charges can be, the body can be charged or neutralized by two methods, that is, so there is two methods for charging the body. One method is by friction by friction, and the second method is by induction. Now, what do you mean by friction method and induction method? Remember that in friction methods, that rubbing of one body against the other body. Whenever two bodies are rubbed with each other, then a new body gets extra charge. जब भी किसी बॉडी के ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस होंगे, देन वी सेड द बॉडी इज अ चार्ज बॉडी. फॉर एग्जांपल, मेरे पास आई हैव टू मटेरियल. वन इज ए कॉम, one is comb and another is of hair. This is a dry hair and a plastic comb. Whenever a plastic comb is rubbed through or moved through the dry hair, then what will happen? We know that earlier a body is this plastic comb and hair are neutral body. When we said that body is neutral, when the body have equal number of positive and negative charge, then we said the body is neutral body. For example, this comb is have a total net charges कितना बेटे 100. 50 इसमें है होंगे, 50 is of positive plus 50 कौन सी है नेगेटिव चार्ज. तो नेट चार्जेस कितना आ गया 100. टोटल चार्जेस 100 है, 50 पॉजिटिव एंड 50 नेगेटिव. देन वी सेड दिस कॉम इज ए न्यूट्रल बॉडी, क्योंकि 50 पॉजिटिव 50 नेगेटिव दोनों आपस में फोर्स ऑफ कौन सी होगी अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स, एंड दे हैव नॉट एनी मेजॉरिटी चार्ज करिए, दे डोंट हैव अ एक्स्ट्रा पॉजिटिव और एक्स्ट्रा नेगेटिव चार्जेस. In this way, this body we call it is a neutral body. But whenever, similarly, the dry hair of a person is also have neutral body because they have equal number of positive and negative charges. But by method of friction, whenever this comb is passed through this one dry hair, then what will happen? The electron is going to start transferring from here to the comb. Electron is going to start moving from dry hair to this one comb, and jitne numbers and total numbers of number of electron transferred from dry hair to this comb is equal to the number of positive charge going from comb to the hair. Suppose 20 electron transferred from dry hair to the comb. कितने हो गए बेटे 20. Similarly, 20 positive charge will transfer from comb to the dry hair. Then what will happen? अब इसमें से 20 चले गए, उसमें से 20 आ गए. Now we have a 20 lost of positive and 20 of negative. 20 माइनस कर दो, कितने बच गए बेटे 30 पॉजिटिव. अब बताइए 50 प्लस 20 कितना हो गया 70. ये बन गया 70 और ये कितना है 30. So 30 plus 70 minus. So what is the net charge on this comb? So net charge on comb is equal to 70 में से 30 कर दो माइनस कितना बच गया बेटे 40. So comb is get charge. अब comb के पास एक्स्ट्रा 40 चार्जेस है, 40 इलेक्ट्रॉन इज एक्स्ट्रा. So comb is, बताइए comb is negatively charged or comb is positively charged? Comb is negatively charged or positively charged? It is negatively charged because the comb has extra 40 electrons. That is why the comb becomes a charged body. Earlier the comb was neutral body. अब कैसी होगी charged body. Similarly, अब इसमें क्या हुआ बेटे positive charge transfer to this one. Now dry hair, what kind of charge? Dry hair क्या बन गए positive और negative? Dry hair बन गए positively charged. So dry hair बन गए positively charged और this comb becomes a negatively charged body. So in this way by friction method we can make the neutral body into charged body. Okay, so this is one of the method through which the charges can be easily transferred. Okay, second method through which the body can be charged is by induction method. So let's understand what is the induction method. In the induction method, induction means that transferring of electric charge without the physical contact, without any physical contact charging the body. But this method is known as induction method. So let's start with one example. Consider you have a body. Okay, if this body, this is figure number A, figure A, this is figure number B, and figure number C. Earlier what happened, the body A consists of equal number of charge, means that this body is neutral. The body have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's mixed number of positive and negative charges. Now I want to make this body from neutral body to charged body. Then what is the method for making it? In first case, I will bring a charged body near this one body. Consider this is charged body. It is positively charged. This is charged body. When I bring very close to the neutral body, a charged body, then what will happen? Because the method of because of the force of attraction and repulsion. Force of attraction किस में होगी? These are positive charge, और positive charge किसको attract करेंगे बेटे? Negative charges को. और positive charge को क्या करेंगे? Repel. In figure first, whenever charged body is bring very close to the neutral body, then by action of attractive and repulsive forces, what will happen? Negative charge. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All the charges are accumulated. All the charges are accumulated. Accumulate means इकट्ठे होना, ठीक है? Accumulated near the ends of the body. Then what happened? All the positive charge is repelled on the other side and negative charge attracted on the other side. Then after we want to make this body only one type of charges. तो बेटे पॉजिटिव चार्ज को हम अर्थ कनेक्शन लगा के सारे के सारा चार्जेस जो होगा, सारे के सारे चार्जेस को हमने अर्थ कनेक्शन लगा दिया। अर्थ का कनेक्शन का लगाने का मतलब होता है इसी चार्जेस को हमने ट्रांसफर कर दिया टू द ग्राउंड। अवर अर्थ इज ए ग्रेट सिंक, जितने भी चार्जेस होंगे वो हर हमारी अर्थ जो है सब टाइप ऑफ चार्जेस को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती है, याद रखना, ठीक है। अगर हम इस बॉडी को किसी मेटल पीसेस के साथ टच करवा के उसको अर्थ का कनेक्शन लगा देते हैं, देन आफ्टर ऑल द पॉजिटिव चार्जेस विल ट्रांसफर टू द ग्राउंड। अब ये ट्रांसफर हो गया। अब इसके पास ऑन नाउ दिस बॉडी कंसिस्ट ओनली नेगेटिव चार्ज, पॉजिटिव चार्ज तो सारा नीचे ट्रांसफर हो गया। अब इसके पास नेगेटिव चार्ज बचा जो ऐसे ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा। अब हमने चार्ज बॉडी को भी रिमूव कर दिया। Now you have understand this body, charge body is not physically touched with the neutral body, but still by using the charge body we are able to make the body from neutral to charged body। अब बताइए मैंने कौन सी चार्ज बॉडी बनाई है, नेगेटिवली चार्ज के पॉजिटिवली चार्ज? Yes, it is a negatively charged body। Now it becomes a negatively charged body. This is neutral body. This is neutral body, and this is charged body. Charged body. One is neutral body. Second is charged body. In the similar manner, you can make the body by your choice. You can make it positive charge. You can make it negatively charged. वो कैसे? अगर पॉजिटिव चार्जेस के पास रखेंगे तो हमारे पास नेगेटिवली चार्ज बॉडी बनेगी, अगर हम यहाँ पर नेगेटिव चार्जेस इसके पास रखेंगे, then which kind of body we can make here? Then after 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5, ठीक है। देन आफ्टर यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्जेस हो जाते थे कम्युलेट, और यहाँ पे कौन से होते थे? नेगेटिव चार्ज। तो सारे नेगेटिव चार्जेस को वो अर्थ कनेक्शंस में नीचे कनेक्शन मिल जाएगा, ट्रांसफर होंगे, एंड द बॉडी हैव ओनली वन काइंड ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज, दैट इज पॉजिटिव। अब मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए बेटे। व्हेन वी सेड द बॉडी इज चार्ज्ड, the body is said to be charged if it have excess electron or proton, दोनों में से कोई एक अगर एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस हुआ, then we said the body is charged body. इसके पास मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, so this is charged body. This body have equal number of positive and negative, so we call it is neutral body. Okay, buddy. So today we have learned that what is the electric charge, its properties, and method of charging by friction method and by induction method. So in my next video lecture I will teach you Coulomb's law, dielectric constants, and next topics. Okay, till then, thank you and have a nice day.